Picture this. You're in the middle of a Sev 1 issue. Slack is on fire, everyone's asking for updates, status reports, Notion docs, and you're just trying to fix the problem. What if all of that handled itself? In this video, we'll run an AI agent that launches an incident channel from Slack, monitors that channel, summarizes key updates in real time, and automatically creates structured reports in Notion, so you can stay focused on resolution while your agent handles the communication. To run this agent yourself, you'll need a few things. You'll need a Slack API key, a Notion API key, and a Notion database ID. If you're new to these products or APIs, be sure to check out their documentation to get set up with API keys and authentication. And for the full end-to-end configuration instructions, click on the link in the description. Once you have your API keys, head over to the Postman AI Agent Builder workspace and find the Incident Management Agent template. This template contains a flows action with an AI agent block and several modules that act as tools to provide context to your agent. Clone this action into your own workspace so you can explore and customize it. Inside, you'll see 5 modules and the actual agent that uses those modules as tools. This agent is triggered by a Slack / command to create an incident channel, then continuously monitors all messages in that channel, using full context and timestamps to determine whether to create or update a corresponding incident in Notion with high-quality summaries for engineering and support teams while managing status, severity, and automatically closing the incident upon resolution. Let's go through the tools that the agent is using. The first is Create and Join Slack Channel. Create and Join Slack Channel creates the channel with a name that the AI comes up with and then invites the user who initiated the / command to the channel. Then we have Create a New Incident in Notion. And this module creates a new incident in Notion, evaluates the date for updates, and then sends the Notion link in the channel and then pins that message to the channel. Fetch list of incidents from Notion. This module checks to see when it receives an update if it's for an existing incident or if it's for a new incident, so it knows which one to associate with. Get Slack channel messages is going to get all of the messages from the channel so it's able to come up with the summaries. Update Notion incident page gets the current incident page, updates the severity, and then updates the summary for engineering, support, and the detailed summary. You can always run these modules locally to confirm that your APIs are working before you connect everything. Now that we've explored the template, let's go through the action where we can configure the agent. Go to your settings and then configurations in Postman, and add in all of your API keys and authentication tokens. For detailed instructions on this setup, click on the link in the description. Now that we've configured this, it's time to deploy this agent so you can trigger it directly from Slack. From Slack, simply type the command /launch incident plus a description of the incident, and instantly the agent will create a new incident channel in Slack, invite you and itself, and any updates you post in this channel will automatically be documented in the corresponding Notion database. The agent will pin the Notion link to the channel, and the updates in Notion will automatically be generated to include a detailed summary of the issue, an engineering update, and a support update. The agent assigns a severity level automatically and changes the status to in progress. Another thing that happens behind the scenes is it checks to see if this is a new incident or if it's an existing incident that you need to keep logging for. Once the issue is resolved and you update Slack, it'll update the status in Notion to done. Congratulations on deploying the Incident Management Agent. If you're interested in exploring more AI agent templates, head over to postman.com/templates. Happy agent building, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to harness the power of AI agents with Postman.